When explaining the set in order phase, I always tell young people that there are two levels of implementation, basic and advanced. The basic level does not involve a detailed study of the process and focuses mainly on the aesthetics of the workplace. This level is only acceptable in the very beginning to understand how the 5S method works, but it must be quickly surpassed towards the advanced level. In the advanced level, we start from the process and position and label tools, materials, and objects to maximize flow and reduce the 7 wastes. The advanced level of set in order is an exercise in engineering and involvement that includes process observation, team redesign, field testing, and improvement modifications that emerge from testing. The set in order phase is closely linked to cell design and standard work. Here are the advanced tips. 1. Observe the current process. 2. Analyze and propose a new process that reduces the 7 wastes. 3. Arrange objects to minimize operator movements. 4. Objects that are used most frequently must be easily accessible. 5. Avoid using drawers and cabinets. It's better to have tools visible. 6. Initially, don't spend money on shadow boards. Use cardboard for the first process iterations. Advanced level, the true essence of set in order. In the advanced level, workplace organization isn't left to chance or visual impression. It starts with the actual work process, observing, analyzing, and designing it to eliminate waste and optimize operational flow. Tools, materials, and objects are strategically positioned, and each element is labeled and arranged with a specific purpose. The logic of the advanced level aims to 1. Maximize workflow. Ensure that every activity flows as smoothly as possible. 2. Reduce or eliminate the 7 wastes identified in the lean method. 3. Facilitate daily work. Increase ergonomics and reduce complexity in accessing materials and tools. An exercise in engineering and involvement. This advanced approach goes well beyond simply putting things in order. It's an exercise that combines process engineering and teamwork. Here are the main steps. 1. Process observation. Carefully study how the team operates to understand every movement, activity, and flow. 2. Team redesign. Involve the work group in a co-creation process, designing new arrangements that bring real improvements. 3. Field testing. Experiment with the new layout directly in the workspace. 4. Continuous improvements. Gather feedback from operators and experiment with modifications and adjustments to further optimize the process. The advanced level of set in order is so closely tied to cell design and standard work that these 3 practices work in synergy to build a highly efficient system. Advanced tips for implementing set in order. Here are some practical suggestions for applying set in order at an advanced level. 1. Carefully observe the existing process. Take time to fully understand how activities are performed before making changes. 2. Analyze and redesign the process. Propose an improved version that will reduce the 7 wastes, such as time lost in unnecessary movements or unproductive waiting. 3. Minimize movements. Arrange objects so that operators and materials move as little as possible. Make tools easily accessible. Position frequently used objects within reach. 5. Avoid drawers and cabinets. Cabinets and drawers often become places of accumulation and confusion. Prefer visible tools and materials, organized clearly and functionally. 6. Experiment with economical solutions at first. Don't immediately spend large sums on equipment like shadow boards. Use cardboard for initial iterations. This temporary approach will allow you to test arrangements before investing in more permanent structures. Conclusion. The advanced level of set in order is the key to creating a work environment that is not only functional, but continuously evolving. It's an investment in process engineering and team involvement that transforms the workplace into a space optimized for productivity, safety, and quality. Below, you will find links to some resources for further exploration, and don't miss the next video.